Hey guys, it's your girl Ebony Deshay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hit that subscribe button and follow me along on my other social media platforms. So today we are definitely trying something new, and that's doing our nails. So I got this little acrylic nail kit from Walmart and I'm just so curious to see how I do. So if you know, you know. If not, let's go. Let's get this together. Okay guys, here is the acrylic nail kit that I picked up from Walmart. I also picked up a nail clipper because your girl don't do the long nails. They're super cute on you guys, but they don't work in reality for me. So we're gonna clip these down today. Alright guys, we're gonna jump right on into it, and I think this little drawer down here is super cute, but I got the instructions out because you definitely want to look over the instructions before you get started so you'll know what you're doing in the order that you're doing, and you want to have everything laid out properly. And so this is just me kind of going through everything, taking a look, taking it out, making sure that I have everything and that I'm not missing anything, because I don't know what I'm doing, and if I miss a step, then it's all going to come falling and crashing down, and these nails not gonna last past this night. So we want to make sure we do a good job, because no matter how these turn out, your girl's gonna rock these at least a week. Okay, a week. Yeah, I said it. No matter how it looks, I'm gonna be proud of however this turns out. Are y'all with me? Come on, because we got to be rocking strong together. Go hard or go home. I didn't know what to think of this brush at first. It was so hard right out the gate, and I was afraid that I got a bad brush, y'all, and I was finna be mad. But we gonna wait till we get everything pulled out, and maybe gotta dip it in something to get it to loosen up. But y'all know what it is. Y'all know. So after I got everything out of the box, I washed my hands, and we're gonna go ahead and push these cuticles back per instructions, okay, with this little wooden stick. And then we're gonna go ahead and file and prep the nail for the glue and the nail placement. I think I'm saying that correctly, but y'all know how they do it up in there. And then I'm gonna wipe all that dust off my fingers, okay? And I want to see if we got a clean look here. So I think we prepped and ready to go. What y'all thinking? So let's get on into it. So I decided to go with the French tips. I love a good white tip. Okay, we got the glue, and we finna go right in and get started with these bad boys. Okay, let's go. Ooh, we child. I just can't see how y'all do it. Like, I mean, first of all, these curves, I'm not with this curving nail. That's what came with this kit. These nails are a little curvy. I'm definitely not with that. So we just gonna go on. We gonna go on and clip them. Yeah. Look, yeah. We gonna go on and clip these real quick. Yeah, this right here is more my speed, guys. Right here, this length right here. I don't care what you call me at the age of 33, but I love my baby nails. So whatever you want to call them, that's me. All right now. One thing I will say though, y'all, is I do love the quality of these nails. Like, they're thick, and I love that. Thick and sturdy. They're not thin, they're not flimsy, and I haven't even put on the acrylic yet. But so far, I'm liking these. I'm really liking these. Really, I can put a couple of coats of polish on it and rock these bad boys like these. Look how well they blended in there. Look how that's looking good, y'all. And that's not even with the acrylic. But look at this. Look at this. Y'all can't tap. No, okay, whatever. I'm a team short nails. Okay then. So next we're gonna go ahead and prime the nails and get everything ready for the acrylic. And I'm getting more nervous as I'm getting close to this, because I'm like, Lord, please don't let me mess up, because I'm gonna be stuck with them for a while. Because yeah, I'm gonna be stuck with them for a while. But we're gonna go ahead and pour this monomer, you know what I'm trying to say, in the little bowl. Okay, and y'all, I know this is a strong smell, but I like the smell of it. It made me feel like I'm at the nail shop. Okay, and then these drops here is supposed to help with the smell of the monomer, but it really did not. It was kind of a waste. So here I am trying to dip this brush, y'all, because remember I told y'all it was hard as a rock and it was scaring me. But after a while of dipping it in the monomer, it's loosened up and got soft, and okay, I felt some relief, so it made me feel a little bit better. But yeah, I had to go on and dibble and dabble that thing around and, you know, do all that good stuff. Okay, here's the moment that we all been waiting for, and whew, I'm so nervous. Like, picking up a bead, you know, it's weird. It's not as easy as it looks, y'all, but it was very exciting. It was pretty cool to see. But let me be honest with you guys, okay? This first attempt, it did not work, y'all. I had to go in and take it off before it set. Because first of all, I was trying to do my dominant hand first, but I need my dominant hand. So we're gonna go ahead and flip the script, and let's go on and get my non-dominant hand out the way first, just to see how this beading and stuff is gonna work. So I went back in and I tried a smaller amount, because I got to figure out how to put this on and lay it out. So I started with a very thin amount and start spreading it, and this was easier for me because you can build it up as much as you need to. So I would say start small until you learn how to pick up a bead. Picking up a bead is not as easy as they make it look in the nail shop, guys. Okay, shout out to all the nail techs. Y'all the real MVP, okay? Because this right here is not a profession for me. But you know what? I'll do it for myself. So I'll take that and I'll do it for myself. But yes, once I started small, I started getting a kind of my own little flow to make it easier for me. And so yeah, just see how I do it, and I'm open for lost my train of thought. I'm open for tips and tricks, guys. But as you can see, I'm just painting on real thin and building it up to my liking. I didn't do it really thick. I did like a medium thin acrylic layer over my nails, and that worked for me. I guess it was working for me. But yeah, just continue to watch. And let's just see how this turns out, okay? Because, yeah, it took a while. It took a while for me to get my little groove in. I definitely placed my bead directly in the middle where the nail tip meets my real nail, and I started from there to kind of spread it lightly. I do know from a couple of videos that I've watched that you want to thinning the acrylic out as you get closer to your cuticle, excuse me, because you don't want it to get all over your skin and all that good stuff. So you want to just tread lightly when you're pushing that acrylic up there, upwards that way. And I, like I said, I just brushed it out like I was polishing my nails, just smoothly making sure that it was evenly distributed across the nail. And of course, in between each nail, I was making sure that I was cleaning my brush, because you don't want all of that acrylic to get stuck in your brush and your brush getting harder, and then it's no good that you can no longer use it. So I did pretty good with keeping my brush clean. I am proud of myself about that. So yeah, just pay attention as you go along. Look, guys, look how good they look so far. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. Look, I did not put a thick layer on there. Like I said, I put like a medium to thin layer on there, and it came out almost perfect, guys. Okay, not perfect, but almost. I'm talking about perfect for my first try, I'll say that. But yes, I'm gonna go in. Of course, I did buffer, all that good stuff. I'm gonna throw this here polish on the top, guys, and I'm just gonna roll with it, because so far so good. It ain't done me no wrong. And like I said, your girl's gonna rock this for about a week or two, okay? Let's see. I want to see how these hold up. Y'all look at these. These look, y'all can't tell me these don't look good. I am so excited. Now, it took me a minute. I didn't edit this video and cut it down a lot, but it took me a minute. Okay? Working with acrylic is not easy. Okay? But practice makes perfect. And of course, we'll get faster with time. We will. So, tell me what you guys think. Now, be honest. Tell me everything. How you feeling? How it's looking? What I should do different? But y'all, I'm feeling this. See, this is me. I like it simple. Okay? I like it pretty simple. I love a good French tip. I love good white polish. Period. But, yeah, look. Okay. Okay, somebody. And y'all, these are, and they're pretty strong. Like, I did some tapping, tap, tap, tap. These things, yeah. Yeah, I'm feeling cute now with my baby nails. Ooh. Ooh. yeah. Until next time, guys, this was fun.